Sorry about that. Had to go see something. Got something posted in the mail. Then with packaging, we got the nice outline of the Sonic on the front. We got some Gallifreyan text. 10th Doctor Sonic, screwdriver, universal, remote control. Not much, but some stuff about the Sonic and legal kerfuffle. And, hang on. Opening it up, there's another part of packaging, which I've had to, it's really hard to take out. But here we go. It's got a nice outline of the Sonic. It's hinged black plastic case. The Wand Company. So yeah, opening it up. Hang on. Blackness. There we go. Sorry about that. So we got these foam trays that keep it in. Here is where the instructions would be, but I took them out. There you are. Now downstairs, we got the beautiful thing itself, but more on that later. And then lifting this foam tray out, the display case. So I'm going to talk about the display case right now. Just put that back together, and then put the display case down, and then take the end cap off, and then, yeah, usually I'd have a friend to help me do this, but no. There's a magnet there, so it's magnetic, and then, crap. There we go. Then, so yeah, doesn't stand up well on the bed. So this is the thing itself, and it is a very gorgeous piece of work. The head is protrudes out nicely, far more accurate than the toy. It's really small compared to the toy. We've got the head, which is aluminium, and it is beautiful. We got these teeth here, then extending it the entire way up. We got the ball. Then we got the wires, which are wrapped around each other in a helix design, and they are yellow, like the show in the Day of the Doctor Sonic toy. And they're the right thin. They are just as thin as the actual prop. Then we got these matching teeth, which, hang on, sliding it down, fits into place perfectly. Got this middle part. Then the body itself looks just excellent. The crackle effect is really close to the original prop, but it's being cut into the mold while the original prop was painted on. But, yeah. I suppose if you want accuracy with the painted on cracks, and even more accuracy than this, get the Celestial Toy Store Ultimate Edition, which is basically like this, only it's not a remote. It's based off this version of the 10th Doctors. Here we go. The slider is a flat rectangle, unlike the stupid erased square. Focus, please. Focus. Alright, it's more blurry, but there's a button on it, so that's great. And we got the blue line, which doesn't have any ugly buttons on it, like the stupid toy. We got these nice little grooves. The aluminium part. Finally, someone listened about the button on the slider, the yellow helix, and the no teeth on the end cap. The black end cap's plastic, and it's a matte black, which is not how the prop looked. It was brass. But It's not an exact replica. So overall, for detail, this is gorgeous. It is extraordinarily close to the prop, and I love it. Okay, so taking a look at features, it's pretty much a remote. So first up, the mode it first offers is practice mode. So, oh yeah, to turn it on, hold it in.
Practice mode.
So practice mode. So if I just alright, I can't do that. Let me just try and do this. Push, pull,
Left, up, down, left, right. Anti-clockwise, clockwise, anti-clockwise, anti-clockwise.
stop it.
Left. Tap on the right.
Ah,
Tap on the left. Tap on the top. Tap on the left.
ah,
Tap on the top.
it's not the top.
Tap on the left. Push.
Alright, so that's really annoying.
Control mode.
So now it's on control mode.
C.
Memory bank C. So basically, I'll show you now. If I want the up feature to if I want the up feature to do something to my TV, I just program it, and I'll show you now.